Affirmations are positive statements that can help you overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. Affirmations work when we recite them regularly. With regularity, we manage to make these phrases a habit of thought. We make it a habit to think that we will become successful, and it is exactly this way of thinking that leads us to do the things that lead to exactly these qualities. Because with our way of thinking we give ourselves something like orders. Orders to carry out exactly what we think. You may think affirmations are unrealistic wishful thinking. But try to think of positive affirmations that way. Many of us do repetitive exercises to improve our physical health, and affirmations are like exercises for our minds and attitudes. These positive mental repetitions can reprogram our thought patterns so that, over time, we begin to think and act differently. On this channel, you will find numerous affirmations regarding money. They are always short videos that you should repeat 5 to 10 times a day. Subscribe to this channel and regularly receive new affirmations that will positively influence your way of thinking. In summary, you should first optimize your thinking, then your mind will be ready to implement successful actions and earn more money. Watch your first affirmation video now.